Okay guys, so today we have a 2009 Honda Civic. We're gonna be fixing the e-brake. So I'm gonna show you how to take off the center console. It's pretty easy. You only have to remove like 4 bolts and like 2 clips and pull this like this way backwards, and then like a couple blocks, and that's it. And you will find like 2 screws over here. This one you only have to like pull it up. Something like this. Then same thing with this one. You don't have to pull it up. You don't have to, wiggle, move it like somewhere so that way you can get it off. And then you're gonna have access to the e-brake adjustment screw over here. But if you need to remove the whole center console, there's 2 more screws over here. Alright, so after you pull this cover off and you pull the cover right here, you pull this one up too, you will see the 2 bolts, this one and this one, and there's 2 more over here. And once you pull this cover right here, you can pull it with your hands. There's a clip right here, hard to see but it's right there. And that one is right here, somewhere over here. Sorry, it's not light. See, after taking the center console, you can get access to the e-brake and stuff like that. In this case, I'm gonna have to fix this. But like I said, it's pretty easy. You're gonna have to remove like a clip over here, a clip over there. Take this cover from down here, and there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you just unplug these 2 right here. Alright. Just to put it back, just follow the instruction in reverse. And pretty easy. Any questions, comments, let me know. Alright. Thank you guys and have a nice day.